Today, we're diving into a culinary classic that's been gracing tables for centuries: couscous. Ever wondered what makes couscous the unsung hero of the grain world? Well, stick around because today, we're unveiling the savory secrets and unraveling the flavorful history of couscous. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on this gastronomic journey together. Now, imagine the vast Saharan landscape, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the sun paints the dunes in hues of gold. It's here, in the cradle of North Africa, that our story begins, with the birth of couscous. Couscous wasn't just discovered. It was crafted by the hands of the Berbers, the ingenious nomadic tribes of the region. Picture this: a communal gathering, with laughter echoing through the desert air, as they concocted this grainy marvel. It was more than just a meal. It was a celebration, a symbol of unity. Some food historians even believe that couscous making was a form of art, with intricate techniques passed down through generations. It's like the Berbers were the original food artists, turning simple grains into a masterpiece that would transcend time. And guess what? The process hasn't changed much since then. It's still a labor of love, with the couscous grains hand-rolled and steamed to perfection. It's a culinary tradition that connects us to the very roots of this grainy wonder. So, our little couscous, born in the heart of North Africa, decided it wasn't content staying put. No sir, it packed its bags and embarked on a culinary adventure that would make even the most seasoned travelers jealous. Picture this: the bustling markets of Marrakesh, the aromatic alleys of Cairo, and the lively souks of Tunis. Couscous was the talk of the town, winning hearts with its fluffy texture and ability to absorb the rich flavors of the region. It was the original food influencer, taking over one kitchen at a time. But couscous wasn't satisfied with just North Africa. It hitched a ride on the spice trade routes, crossing deserts and oceans, and landing in the kitchens of the Middle East. From there, it made its way to Europe, charming its way onto the plates of French bistros and Italian trattorias. The world couldn't resist the charm of couscous. It became a global sensation, a symbol of cross-cultural culinary love. It's like couscous said, why settle for local fame when you can be a worldwide sensation? And here's the fun part. Each culture gave couscous its unique twist. In Morocco, it was paired with savory tagines. In Italy, it joined forces with tomatoes and basil in a Mediterranean melody. It became a culinary citizen of the world, adapting and thriving in every kitchen it encountered. Now that couscous has become a globetrotter, it didn't just stop at conquering new territories. No, it decided to become the ultimate culinary chameleon, a grain that could adapt to any flavor profile, any dish, and any culinary craving. Imagine couscous as a blank canvas, eagerly waiting to absorb the masterpiece of flavors you throw its way. Whether you're in the heart of Marrakesh, enjoying a traditional couscous with a fragrant tagine, or on a beach in Greece, savoring it in a refreshing salad, couscous plays well with others. Want something hearty? Couscous has got your back. It's like the perfect sidekick to stews and curries, soaking up the goodness and adding its unique texture to the mix. In fact, it's the unsung hero, making every dish it encounters a bit more exciting. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of couscous balls? That's right, couscous isn't just content being a side dish. It's been rolled into little balls of joy, creating a playful twist on this ancient grain. It's like couscous is saying, I can be the star of the show too. And the beauty of couscous is that you don't need a culinary degree to make it shine. It's simple, versatile, and open to interpretation. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, couscous is your culinary best friend, always ready to elevate your meal to new heights. Legend has it that couscous was once considered so precious that it was used as a form of currency in some ancient societies. Imagine paying for your groceries with a handful of couscous today. That would make the supermarket a whole lot more interesting. Fast forward to the present day, and couscous is still stealing the show. It's not just a side dish, it's the star of the meal. With instant couscous making life easier for busy kitchens and food enthusiasts alike, this grain has truly stood the test of time. And there you have it, folks. The incredible, edible journey of couscous. Who knew those tiny granules could carry so much history and flavor? If you enjoyed this dive into the world of couscous, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow foodies, and let me know in the comments which dish you'd love to see us explore next on Food Storian. Until next time, keep savoring the stories behind your favorite bites. Bon appetit!